Juice fasting, the practice of consuming only fruit and vegetable juices for a period, has been trending, but it comes with a set of myths that we aim to unravel today. Myth 1. Juice fasting is a quick fix for weight loss. While it may lead to initial weight loss, it's primarily due to water loss and not fat loss. Once normal eating resumes, the weight often returns. Myth 2. Juice fasting detoxifies your body. Your body has built-in detox mechanisms through organs like the liver and kidneys. Juice fasting is not necessary for detoxification. Myth 3. Juice fasting provides all necessary nutrients. Juicing removes the fiber from fruits and vegetables, which is crucial for gut health. Plus, juices lack essential proteins and fats. Myth 4. Juice fasting boosts energy. In reality, juice fasting may lead to feelings of fatigue as your body is not receiving enough calories. Myth 5. Juice fasting enhances immunity. While fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, a balanced diet is essential for a strong immune system. In the end, juice fasting is not a magical solution. A balanced, varied diet coupled with regular exercise is the key to good health. Stay tuned as we debunk more myths around popular health trends. Don't forget to subscribe for more juicy facts.